tailor made upon my back. See, I want you to set me free. Sometimes another man who can get more than you can do. Everything that money can buy, but your money can't hold me tight like it does. A long, long night, you know, you didn't keep me satisfied. Said she's a lion, setting pillows to cry on. Still, I'm not happy, don't you see? Big long Cadillac, tailor made upon my back. Still, I want you to set me free. Tailor made upon my back. Still, I want you to set me free. Still, I want you to set me free.
Far across deep blue water, away over yonder, by the banks of the old river ride, where I loved her and left her, but I can't forget her. I miss my pretty from line, look up towards the heaven each night when the stars start to shine. By the same stars above you, I swear that I love you. You are my pretty from where my memory wanders away over yonder, of the sweetheart that I left behind. In a moment of glory, a face comes before me, the face of my pretty from life, from life, from life, from your hands holding mine by the same stars above you. I swear that I love you. You are my pretty throwing light. You are my pretty throwing light.
Her lips and her dress, they're all ruby red. She thinks that's how the pain you feel inside. And she comes out every night to succumb to neon lights. Her perfume fills the air. People stop and stare. Blue roses looking for the moon in someone's eyes. Blue roses willing to believe but someone's lies. Destroying blue every day. One more dream, one more dance. You might be her only chance. She needs someone to hold when the night is growing on. And if you don't mind the tones, she'll take you and keep you warm, lying in the dark in a bed of broken hearts. Blue roses looking for the moon in someone's eyes. Blue roses willing to believe but someone's lies. No blue roses, petals have been crushed along the way. Blue roses, destroying blue every day. Blue roses, destroying blue every day. When I woke this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smile, but when I read the card, the teardrops filled my eyes. It was the only way that it could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind. It feels untrue. white side of life. As I listen to the words that you are saying, it brings memories when was a trusting wife. It wasn't graduate or guitar angels, as you said in the words of your song. There's many times married men think they're still single. That has caused many a good girls to go wrong. It's a shame that all to blame is on us women. It's not true that only humans feel the same. From the start, those every heart that ever broken was because there always are to blame. It wasn't what you made of all, it's only angels, as you said in the words of your song. There's many times married men think they're still single. That has caused many a good girls to go wrong. That has caused many a good girls to go wrong. Willingly, I fell in love with you.
Willingly, I learned to love you too.
Thought we both knew that it was wrong with someone else. We both belong. We fell in love willingly. Willingly, I fell out on you.
Sweetheart, I knew this ain't much true.
So if it's fate for us to wait until our loves can be, then we'll wait willingly. I love you.
I love you too.
I want you.
And I want you to.
But if it's fate for us to wait until our loves can be, then we'll wait willingly.
I want